Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how you can use Skillshare app. So first you have to go to your App Store and from here you have to search for Skillshare and you have to install that. I have already installed the app, so I will just go and I will open that. Now here you can see this Get Start. If you are new, then you have to click on Get Start. But if you already have an account here, then simply go and click on Sign in. As I am new here, so I will go with Get Start and I will create my account here. Here you have 3 options for creating account. You can create account with your Google ID, or you can create account here with your Facebook ID, or you can create account here with your Apple ID. You have 3 options. You can choose from these options. I will just go with my Google ID here. And here they basically give you 30-day free trial, so you can go with that. You can cancel that at any time and they will not gonna charge you any money. They will give you a full refund. Here you can see their monthly and the annually plans. Here you can see that in the annually plan you have to pay almost $14 per month, and in the monthly plan you have to pay almost $50 per month. You can choose one plan here according to your own choice. Here you have this watch, inspiration, research and my classes. I'm currently on their research page. Here you can research for any class and you can learn. Let's go, and if I click on the animation, here you can see all the classes related to the animation. Here I open these illustrations for animation and motion graphics.
Hi, my name is Carmelis Guzman. I am an animator, illustrator, and script writer based in Spain, originally from Dominican Republic. In this class, you will learn how to create beautiful designs for animation.
Here you can take all the classes, and basically here they give you a detailed class about animation. Here if you click on what this class is about, here if you click on this I'll read, here you can see that what this class will include. Here you have these key lessons: looking for reference, sketching, vector your design, how to use gradients and simple 2D animations. And you can see here who is this class for. This course is ideal for animators, illustrators, graphic designers, creative artists and generally anyone who want to learn how to make charming designs and animate them without complications. You can see the requirements here. You will need to have Adobe Illustrator and all these things. And similarly here you can see the projects here. Here you can see all the class project that different class members has made. After watching this video, this will help you see how productive the class was. Now let's go and see watercolor related videos. Here you can see my lessons. Here you have this lesson.
Something a little easier. Have a look at my beginner classes first, and these can be found over on my channel. I'm Jane Davis. I live, paint, teach and walk my lovely spaniel in the beautiful South Downs National Park, England.
Now here if we go and if we show you what this class was about, here you can see that here in this class they will show you how to create the beautiful flowing background, how to create a sense of speed and movement, how to achieve depth and light using layers, how to paint a simple characterful eyes, and how to do all this with barely any brushstroke. These are all the things that you will learn by the end of this video. And here if you want to download, then simply you have to turn that option on. And here you can't download. If you want to download, then you have to go and you have to buy their subscription plans. Here in download you can see all the downloads, and here in the save you will see all your saved videos. And here you also have this my list, and here you have this watch history where you can see all your history. Here if you want to download and you want to watch these videos, then you have to go to setting, and here you have to go to this membership. You can see that we are currently on a free plan. Here you can also get a 30-day free trial, and you can see here the monthly and the annual plans. You can pick from these plans and you can download the videos and you can take the full lessons. Similarly here you have this inspiration where you can get different inspiration ideas. Basically this Skillshare is a great app if you want to learn different lessons. And here you can see you have many varieties, and even here you have many options for lectures as well. You're not bound into only 1 or 2 lectures. Here you have so many lectures option, and you can learn from these lectures. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.